My dear students, now I am going to start periodic table lesson for crash course students. In this lecture, I will explain what is the need of classification of elements, different periodic class, about modern periodic table, and IUPAC nomenclature of the elements. Number of scientists were tried for the classification of elements. Among them, Dobereiner, Newlands, Luther Meyer, Mendeleev, and Moseley are important. Dobereiner, Newlands, Luther Meyer, Mendeleev or Mendeleev, and Moseley. These are important. These are important scientists. According to Dobereiner, he classified the elements into groups. Each group contains 3 elements. That is called one triad. Triad means a group of 3 elements having similar properties. The Dobereiner periodic law is the atomic weight of middle element is approximately equal to average of atomic weights of first and third elements. If we take these triads, atomic weight of lithium is 7, for potassium 39, then atomic weight of sodium is average of atomic weights of lithium and potassium. So, therefore, atomic weight of sodium is 23. Like that, if we take chlorine, bromine, iodine, this is also one triads. For chlorine 35.5, for bromine 80, for iodine 127. Average of atomic weights of these two elements is approximately equal to 80. If we take ferrous, cobalt, nickel, ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, osmium, iridium, platinum. For these elements, this law is not valid. If we take these triads, for these 3 elements, atomic weight is almost same, even for these 3 elements also. That's why this law was rejected. These are called transition triads. Next, Newlands periodic law. According to Newlands, when the elements are arranged in the increasing order of their atomic weights, every 8th element is having similar properties as that of first element, like 8th note of a musical scale. Sari, Gama, Pada, Ni, Sa. Sa, Re, Ga, Ma, Pa, Da, Ni, again Sa. Like that, hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, potassium, calcium. After hydrogen, I have written here lithium, because at the time of Newlands, zero group elements were not discovered. Even atomic number is also not known. Hydrogen, lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 2 elements have similar properties. Like that, if we take this element, start from this element. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These 2 elements have similar properties. So, like 8th note of musical scale, every 8th element is having similar properties. That is Newland's periodic law. But after calcium, this law is not valid. So it was rejected. Next, Luther Meyer. Luther Meyer and Mendeleev independently evolved identical classification of elements. Luther Meyer and Mendeleev independently evolved identical classification of elements. Luther Meyer classification was based on physical properties. Mendeleev classification was based on chemical properties. Luther Meyer presented his classification in the form of curve. Mendeleev presented his classification in the form of table. See, first let me explain Luther Meyer classification. He determined atomic volume of the elements by using this formula. Atomic volume is equal to atomic weight by density, and he plotted the graph between atomic volume and density. From this graph, he observed that alkali metals occupy the peak positions. Alkali metals occupy the peak positions of the curve. Lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium. Alkaline earth metals occupy the descending portions of the curve. Descending portions of the curve. These positions are the descending positions. Say decreasing, lithium to beryllium, sodium to magnesium, potassium to calcium, strontium, barium. Halogens occupy ascending portions or ascending positions. Halogens occupy ascending. Here fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Transition metals occupy minima positions at these positions. Alkali metals occupy maxima positions. That means alkali metals atomic volume is more. Alkali metals occupy maxima positions means their atomic volume, that is their size is more. Alkali earth metals occupy descending portions. That means when compared to alkali metals, alkali earth metal size is less, so decreases. Next, halogens occupy ascending portions. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, ascending portions. Transition metals occupy minima positions, means their size is least. This is Luther Meyer classification. Next, Mendeleev's classification. That Mendeleev's periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. The physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. That means he arranged the elements in the increasing order of atomic weight of the elements. At the time of Mendeleev, only 63 elements were known. At the time of Mendeleev, only 63 elements were known. The first periodic table was constructed by Mendeleev. First periodic table was constructed by Mendeleev. He classified the elements into groups and periods. Groups means vertical columns. Vertical columns are called groups. Periods means horizontal rows. Horizontal rows are called periods. There are 7 periods and 9 groups. Number of periods are 7, number of groups 9. Those groups are named as 0 to 8. 0 to 8th group. 0 to 8 means total 9 groups are there. By leaving this 0 group and 8th group, the remaining groups are subdivided into A groups and B groups. That is first A, first B, second A, second B. Like that remaining groups also up to 7th group. By leaving 0 group and 8th group, remaining groups are subdivided into A groups and B groups. Mendeleev had a foresight. He gave some gaps in his periodic table. He gave some gaps. See, that means boron, aluminium, here some missing element is there. At the time of Mendeleev, that element is not discovered. But he predicted properties of that missing element. Boron, aluminium, here one element, indium. At the time of Mendeleev, this element is not known, but he predicted properties of that missing element. Those elements were named as Eka elements. Eka elements. Eka boron, Eka aluminium, Eka silicon, Eka manganese. Eka manganese. Eka boron is now known as scandium. Eka aluminium is now known as gallium. Eka silicon is now known as germanium. Eka manganese is now known as technetium. And Mendeleev corrected atomic weights of some elements by using the formula atomic weight is equal to equivalent weight into valency. By using this formula, he corrected atomic weights of some elements. Those elements are beryllium, indium, and osmium. He corrected atomic weights of these elements. Mendeleev's periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. That means he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic weights. But in his periodic table, at some places, instead of increasing, that atomic weight decreases. For example, argon, potassium, cobalt, nickel, tellurium, iodine, thorium, protactinium. At these 4 places, atomic weight decreases. For example, for argon it is 40, for potassium 39. So here atomic weight decreases, but he classified the elements on the basis of atomic weight, means atomic weight increases. From one element to another element, atomic weight increases. But at these 4 places, atomic weight decreases. Argon, potassium, cobalt, nickel, tellurium, iodine, thorium and protactinium. These pairs are called anomalous pairs. Anomalous or inverted pairs. Anomalous pairs or inverted pairs. So this law is also rejected. Next, after Mendeleev, Moseley discovered a new property of elements. The scientist Moseley, he discovered a new property of element, that is atomic number. Till this Mendeleev, atomic number is not known. Even here also, argon, potassium, these elements atomic numbers are not known, only atomic weights. Mendeleev was taken only atomic weights. In 1901, this Moseley discovered a new property of element, that is atomic number, by using this equation. Root nu is equal to A into Z minus B. Here nu means a frequency of the X-rays, frequency of the X-rays. Z is atomic number, Z is atomic number, A and B are constants. A and B are constants. So Moseley's periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic numbers. Mendeleev's periodic law is the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic weights. That means he arranged the elements in the increasing order of their atomic weights. But according to Moseley, the physical and chemical properties of the elements are periodic functions of their atomic number. That means from element to element, atomic number increases.